If you need to log out of your x.com or Twitter account, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few seconds. This is helpful if you're using a shared device, switching accounts, or simply want to sign out for security reasons. And if this video helps, please be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the X app or go to x.com in your browser and make sure you're signed into the account you want to log out of. Once you're on the main screen, look down to the bottom left corner of the page and click the profile icon. This icon usually shows your profile picture or account avatar, and it opens your account menu. After you click the profile icon, a menu will appear with several options for your account. From that menu, look for the logout option and click it. X will then ask you to confirm that you want to sign out. Just confirm the action and your account will be logged out successfully. That's all there is to it. You've now signed out of your x.com or Twitter account using just a couple of simple clicks. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.